Hi guys, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. And last year the mole went through my whole area that should have been filled with roses and everything else and dried out my roots. I think I have resolved that issue, but now I want to cover this whole area for the summer, and I want some that has a lot of depth, a lot of great interest, and I want some that pops. And so I have a great solution, but before I show you what I'm going to plant there, I got to show you something else. Let me show you. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about the wax begonia. Now, isn't this beautiful? This one, and it's a humongous one. I'll take a picture of the whole container. I just pulled it out of the basement. These are perennial in many zones, the warmer ones, but it's a great house plant, or you could put it in cold storage like I do. The flowers, while you don't need the flowers because the foliage is so beautiful, the flowers are beautiful, and did you know they're edible? But what I want to do, here's some young ones, and I love the color of these. I want to put these in that area, and I could shape them if I want to go, let's say, from 7 inches all the way to 2 foot. And you could play around with it and trim it as you wanted, but I'm just going to let it grow as tall as it wants. It'll really add some interest to that area. So how do we start? Well, while a begonia doesn't like a lot of fertilizer, I'm going to soak it in liquid 10-10-10 fertilizer just to get it going. Then all we do is space them roughly, I don't know, I'm going to put them 10 inches apart. The closer you get, the taller they get because they're competing with the light, for the light. Okay, so let's go out there. All right. When you're planting large quantities, I pre-drill with a stick or a drill. It saves time. And also, you want to plant these in well-drained soil, but it needs some nice compost or fertilization. Okay, they're in, which is a good thing because the mosquitoes are coming out here. So we're going to have to work on that issue with some more plants. Now, the care of the begonia. Believe it or not, you almost let it dry out, not totally, and then water it. Because what happens is it's really dense and it will get a lot of fungal or bacterial issues. And so you want it to dry out just a tiny bit, not Sahara Desert, not even that dry, but you know what I mean. But this hopefully looks spectacular. I'm really curious how it'll go. But this is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Have a great day. And as usual, subscribe and tell your friends. Have a great day.